In this video, I am going to explain you how to make a Bluetooth control light using Arduino. Let's get started. Components required are Arduino Uno board, HC05 Bluetooth module, 5V relay module, light bulb, bulb holder, and plug. Connections. First of all, upload the code to the Arduino board. You can get the full code from the link given in the description. Connect the receive data pin of the Bluetooth module to the transmit data pin of the Arduino. Connect the transmit data pin of the Bluetooth module to the receive data pin of the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the Bluetooth module to the 5V supply pin of the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the Bluetooth module to the ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the IN1 pin of the relay to the 8th pin of the Arduino. Give 5V supply to the Arduino board and also insert the plug into the AC supply source. Now install the app Arduino Bluetooth Home Automation from the Play Store. Before using the app, you need to pair the Bluetooth module from the settings. Enter the pin as 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is not accepted, then try 0000. Now open the app and select the Bluetooth device, which is ZHC05 from the list, and enjoy your project. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Do like, share and comment.